today class the continuation of chemical reactions. Okay, earlier we studied basic properties, basic characters of amines. Okay, here we are going to see alkylation. Next chemical property is alkylation. Okay, so already we studied 10th chapter. So here you see the primary amine react with alkyl halide. Okay, so any alkyl halide to form secondary amine. Okay, every time. So from here this is a best leaving group from amine 1H plus here the halogen it goes to HX. Okay, at the same time this is a secondary amine react with the same alkyl halide to produce tertiary amine. Okay, so here the from the secondary amine the hydrogen atom it goes to the Cl, it goes to the HX. Okay, we can get the tertiary amine. Okay, this is alkylation reactions. Okay, primary secondary amine react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, right. Here acylation. Okay, acylation means what do you mean acylations? Aliphatic and aromatic amines, secondary amines react with acid chloride or acid anhydride and esters by nucleophilic substitution reactions. This reaction is known as acylation. Okay, in the product we can get amide. Okay, so this reactions takes place in the presence of base like pyridine. Here the highlight is the removal of HCl favors the forward reactions. We can get the enough yield. Okay, every time. Okay, this is for acylation. Okay, see here this is ethanamide. Ethanamide. Every time the replacement of hydrogen containing this NH2 or NH group by the acyl group. Okay, so in the presence of base we can get ethanamide. Okay, so here you see that ethanamine. Ethanamine means this amine it contains ethyl group, so ethanamine. This is a primary amine. This is your primary amine react with acid chloride CH3COCl. Okay, acid chloride. Because of this nitrogen it contains lone pair of electron. So the shifting takes place, replacement of this hydrogen to shifted here to form a product. Okay, so after that the removal of HCl, here one H and here Cl, HCl we can get. So this bond is utilized by this nitrogen, so we can get C2H5NH, C double bond O and CH3 plus HCl. Okay, for N-ethyl ethanamide, N-ethyl ethanamide, because this is ethanamide, CONH bond is ethanamide. Okay, right. Students, primary amino, secondary amino, acid chloride illa anhydride கூட இந்த presence of base pyridine like baseல வந்து nucleophilic substitution reaction நடக்கு. என்னன்னா இதில் இருக்கிற lone pair electron வந்து replacementனால நமக்கு வந்து ஒரு intermediate product, அப்புறம் HCl remove ஆகிறதுனால we can get the ethanamide amide product. Okay, amine to amide, it is a acylation reaction. Okay, at the same time this is secondary amine, N-ethyl ethanamide, the same acid chloride, removal of HCl, here one H, here one chlorine. That time this bond is utilized by this nitrogen and the replacement takes place. We can get NN diethanamide. Okay, right. And the benzanamine, this is your benzanamine react with ethanoic anhydride. Okay, here you see that we can get the amide as well as acid. Okay, see this bond cleaved, here you see CH3 COOH. Okay, this is one product, and so N-phenyl ethanamide C6H5NH COCH3. Okay, this is N-phenyl ethanamide plus acid, acetic acid. Okay, so N-phenyl ethanamide also known as acid anilide. Okay, right. So the same time benzylation reactions takes place. Methanamine react, this is primary amine react with benzoyl chloride, we can get N-methyl benzanamide. Okay, ஸோ கீப் இட் இன் தட் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட். அசைலேஷன்னா என்ன அப்படின்னோன்னா ப்ரைமரி அமினோ செகண்டரி அமினோ வெதர் மேபி அலிஃபேட்டிக்காலாம் அரோமேட்டிக்காக இருக்கலாம். ஆசிட் குளோரைடு இல்லை அன்ஹைட்ரேட் கூட பேஸில் இந்த ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் பேஸில் ரியாக்ட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ப்ராடக்ட் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? அமைடு கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஒய்? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ஈஸியர் ரிமூவல் ஆஃப் HCl இட் ஃபேவர்ஸ் த ஃபார்வர்ட் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் வி கேன் கெட் அமைடு ப்ராடக்ட். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் யுவர் acylation reaction. Okay, next one, carbylamine reaction. Okay, so this reaction with nitrous acid, reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride, these reactions especially for primary amines. Okay, right, listen, carbylamine reactions. What is carbylamine reactions? The primary amine in the presence of chloroform and strong ethanolic KOH, okay, heated, it gives alkyl isocyanide. So okay, the formation of alkyl isocyanide, its a smell is foul smell, like a fishery smell. ஒரு fish வந்து ஒரு அந்த சைடு ஒரு ஸ்மெல் வரும்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஃபிஷர் ஸ்மெல். ஓகே, ஸோ கான்சன்ட்ரேட்டட் சம்வாட் இரிட்டேட்டிங் ஸ்மெல், ஃபோல் ஸ்மெல். ஓகே, FOUL, ஃபோல் ஸ்மெல், அண்ட் ஃபார்ம் KCl and H2O. Okay, so wherever you see amine with this CHCl3 plus KOH, it is the carbylamine reaction. These carbylamine reactions only show the primary amines, not for secondary, and this reaction, it does not takes place in secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, especially for primary amine in the presence of this particular catalyst or reagent to give the alkyl isocyanide. Okay, so students, you remind the concept in the same place. Phenol with CHCl3 plus KOH or NaOH, what do you get? That is salicylaldehyde, Riemann-Tiemann reactions. Okay, so students, the organic part you combined and related with, you can study, that is easy. Okay, right. Reaction with nitrous acid. Okay, so alkyl amine, primary amine, react with nitrous acid. This is nitrous acid plus NaNO2, sodium nitrite plus KCl. Wherever you see this mixture, this is nitrating mixture. Okay, so primary amine in the presence of nitrating mixture to form alkyl BDC. This is what your BDC. Okay, alkyl BDC. Okay, so BDC, the expansion for benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride means this is your azo compound, because the presence of amine, it contains nitrogen, it gets dimerized. Because of after that hydrolyzation reactions, it undergoes easily, this nitrogen gets out. Okay, so that is we can get alcohol plus N2 gas plus HCl. Okay, so this nitrogen is used to in many ways for estimation of proteins, the body synthesis proteins. So many things it's used for this, the liberation of nitrogen gas. Okay, so this is your primary amine with nitrating mixture to form alkyl benzene diazonium chloride. After alkyl benzene diazonium chloride hydrolyzed to form alcohol plus nitrogen, removal of nitrogen gas and HCl. Okay, right. So this is aniline. It is very important reactions. Aniline react with the same nitrating mixture to form benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, so benzene diazo means somewhat colored compounds. Okay, it react with benzene diazonium chloride and gives sodium chloride plus 2H2O. Okay, this is your BDC. Okay, so this BDC we can get many products for Sandmeyer test and Caterman's test. Already you studied, and this time the board has deleted. Okay, no problem, let it be there. This is your reaction with nitrous acid. Secondary and tertiary amine, it does not react with this nitrous acid, only for primary amine. Keep it in that in your mind. Okay, next one, reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. So students, this is Hinsberg reagent test. Okay, so the Hinsberg reagent test is used to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, So this is the benzene sulfonyl chloride is nothing but Hinsberg reagent. Already in the haloalkanes and alcohols we studied Lucas reagent. Where the Lucas reagent you remind the concept to differentiate the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. At the same for here to we are studying three type classification of amines. So the Hinsberg test used to differentiate for primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, right. Benzene sulfonyl chloride react with Hinsberg reagent, react with amine, primary amine, ethanamine to form N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. Okay, so N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide plus H2 plus HCl. Okay, you see here the presence of the nitrogen containing hydrogen, the presence of hydrogen in the sulfonyl benzene sulfonyl group. This SO2 especially it is for a acidic property. So usually we know that acids react with alkalino to form salt. Okay, so here this acid, this acidic, the hydrogen containing nitrogen of this sulfonyl group, it is a basically acidic property. So it react with alkali to form that time easily it is soluble in alkali because it react with alkali, okay, to form salt. Okay, so it is soluble in alkali. So this is your primary amine. And in the same Hinsberg reagent with the secondary amine, what's happening, it is we can get the product NN diethyl benzene sulfonamide. It is insoluble in alkali because here you see there is no hydrogen, hydrogen containing the N containing SO2, so it will not dissolved with alkali. Okay, this is a difference between primary and secondary. Okay, upon primary amine வந்து Hinsberg reagentல நமக்கு N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide கொடுக்கு. இந்த hydrogen bond contain உள்ள இந்த sulfonic acid வந்து acidic property இருக்கிறதுனால alkaliல dissolve ஆகுது. இதில் there is no hydrogen bond. This sulfonyl group இது absence of இதா இருக்கிறதுனால it is not acidic property, so that it is insoluble in alkali. This is one more question, you keep it in that mind. Okay, so after that this is differentiate for primary amine and secondary amine. The tertiary amine it does not react with this Hinsberg reagent. Okay, so students, all these things you keep it in that in your mind. Okay, right. Last one is chemical reaction of amines. Last one, electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so amine electrophilic substitution reaction, it is a very challenging and highlighting. Okay, because of it undergoes different manners. Okay, so see here, first one, bromination. Earlier we studied this amine is a orthopara directing group, as well as the presence of NH2 in the benzene ring, it is a highly powerful activating group. So it direct the incoming group into ortho position as well as the para position. Okay, so this is we studied in the previous concepts. Okay, so here also for this case aniline react in presence of bromine with aqueous medium. Students, we very well know that. So bromine with aqueous medium, we can get the byproduct, the product of both substitution of ortho as well as the para position. Okay, because of it is a substituted this water, the bromine is dissolved with water, aqueous medium. So we can get the both options, ortho position as well as the para substituted bromine. That is a white color crystalline substance. Okay, precipitate, not substance, it is a precipitate like, what's the name, 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Okay, 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Okay, so NH2 in the bromine with aqueous medium, we can get 2,4,6 tribromoaniline plus 3HBr. Okay, so here next one, so usually it is a NH2 group is powerful activating group and also orthopara directing group, and it undergoes resonatic structure. Okay, here suppose we are going to prepare mono-substituted aniline product derivatives. So how can we activated the NH2 group can be controlled? Okay, this is your question. Okay, one question. So here, because of aniline is a orthopara directing group, so how can we prepare for the mono-substituted aniline product? Okay, this is the question. First of all, so what to do? You see here, aniline is treated with anhydride. Okay, so aniline treated with anhydride, it is a acetylation reactions takes place. The product we can get N-phenyl ethanamide. Okay, aniline converted to, during the acylation reactions, it converted to amide. Okay, after that this amide in the presence of bromine with as acidic medium, we can get bromoacetanilide. Okay, so this bromoacetanilide during hydrolysis reactions we can get 4-bromoaniline. This is mono-substituted aniline derivatives. This is not possible. ஏன்னா இது வந்து பாசிபிளே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா இது வந்து ஹைலி ஆக்டிவேட்டிங் குரூப்பாக இருக்கிறதுனால நமக்கு ஆர்த்தோபேரா ப்ராடக்ட் தான் பாசிபிள். பட் ஹியர் இங்கே என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா, அசிலேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன்னால இதை வந்து என்ன செய்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, இதோட ஆக்டிவேட்டிங் குரூப்பை வந்து டீஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, டு கன்வெர்ட் த அமைடு. ஏன் வந்து அமைடாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா, ஹியர் யூ சி திஸ் இஸ் HNC double bond O and CH3. Okay, this N is bonded with benzene. Okay, listen. This N, it contains a lone pair of electron. So this lone pair of electron supplies here this bond pi bond shifting. அப்போ இது என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னா, it undergoes resonatic. Okay, H N and here the benzene ring is here. Okay, benzene ring and N and this double bond create C and bond O minus CH3. Okay, this is resonatic structure. So here there is no availability of electrons. இங்க electrons இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் this electron shifted to here and activating the benzene ring. இப்போ இது வந்து resonatic structure இந்த அமைடு மட்டுமே இருக்கிறதுனால there is no available of electrons present. அப்போ availability of electron இல்லாதப்ப how can we activate this benzene ring? So deactivation takes place. But here this amine, it contains a lone pair of electrons. So this lone pair of electrons shifted to here, activating the group orthopara. The electron clouds are dense. So the resonatic structure. So என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, the amine group first acetylation மூலமா amide can be controlled. Okay, this activated group can be controlled by this method, acetylation method. After a suitable whichever the substitutions we want, so the suitable substitutions during the hydrolysis in the hydrolyzation reactions we can get the bromo derivative. Bromo derivative means mono substituted bromo derivatives. This is challenging because the mono substituted it is not possible, but we can get the mono substituted derivatives of aniline. Okay, this is one question. Okay, after that here also you see nitration reactions. The same it's happening because of this resonatic structure. Only two products only possible, ortho product as well as the para product. But here the intermediate meta product also happening. How it is possible? And the presence of strong heating. So here what's happening, this aniline, it gets to anilinium ion. Okay, NH3 plus aniline, because it is a base. The NH2 is a base. This base sometimes the protonations in acidic medium, the protonations takes place. NH2 is converted to NH3 plus. Okay, so this anilinium, this is what your anilinium ion. This anilinium ion is a meta directing group. Meta directing group. Okay, meta directing group. Okay, so that only at the concentrated at the level of concentration increasing for strong heating, this meta product also formed. Okay, so that After the same reactions repeatedly, the activating group is controlled by the acetylation reactions. We can get the acetanilide. After acetanilide with this the nitrating the HNO3 plus H2SO4, it supply the electrophile like NO2 plus. So this NO2 plus we can substituted the para positions, we can get the mono derivative of para nitroacetanilide. Okay, after that this hydrolyzation reactions takes place. Para nitroaniline, mono substituted nitroaniline we can get. Okay, ஸோ இதெல்லாம் மோனோ டெரிவேட்டிவ்ஸ் வர்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆக்டிவேட்டிங் குரூப்பை டீஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணுறாங்க. டீஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணுறது அப்படிங்கிறது அசிட்டிலேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் நடக்கிறப்ப இந்த அமைடு மட்டும் ரெசனட்டிக் ஆகிறதுனால வந்து என்னது, இங்கே தெர் இஸ் நோ அவைலபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரான். ஸோ திஸ் பென்சின் ரிங்க்கு சப்ளை பண்ண முடியாது. இங்கே சப்ளை ஆகாதனால வந்து என்னது, இட் கெட்ஸ் டீஆக்டிவேட்டட். ஓகே, அப்போ கம்பேர்டு டு அனிலின் டு அமைட் இஸ் அ லெஸ் ஆக்டிவேட்டிங் குரூப். அதனால் அமைடாக மாற்றி அப்புறம் வந்து விச் எவர் சப்ஸ்டியூஷன் வி வாண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் ஹைட்ரலைசேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் we can get the mono derivatives. So it's clear students. Okay, next one, sulfonation reactions. Okay, sulfonations. So sulfonation means HSO3 plus the electrophile to direct. So here first of all this amine aniline react with H2SO4 to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate, positive and negative anilinium hydrogen sulfate. This anilinium hydrogen sulfate react in the temperature range, that is 453 to 473 Kelvin, to form sulfonilic acid. Okay, so this sulfonilic acid, the H plus proton transformations takes place in the same compound, that is it acts as a sweeter ion. Okay, sweeter ion means the same compound, it contains both acidic as well as the base property. Already we studied in biomolecule, amine act as a good acidic as well as the base medium. Okay, so that this is a sweeter ion concept. Okay, here one question usually they ask, what question? No, so this aniline, it does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions because of, usually Friedel-Crafts reaction means acylation and alkylations takes place. For electrophilic substitution reactions, acylation and alkylations takes place. Okay, here what's happening, this is aniline, no, aniline. So aniline contains pair of electrons, it react with Lewis acid like AlCl3. Okay, Lewis acid like, so this is base, this is acid. So acid plus base here to form the salt. Okay, what salt? NH3 plus AlCl3 minus. Okay, so the salt produced, so this salt, so it does not undergoes the we cannot get the expected product. So the aniline, it does not undergo the Friedel-Crafts acylation as well as the alkylation reactions. Okay, so students, you keep it in your mind, only for aniline is a activating, powerful activating group as well as a orthopara directing group. Here for the electrophilic substitution reactions, we can get we are preparing mono substituted product. How it is possible? Deactivating the NH2 group by acylation reactions. So and also the nitrations, the byproduct intermediate nitro meta product also formed because of it is a base, sometimes act as a acidic medium to form a meta directing anilinium ion to form a meta directing group. So deactivate the aniline, after we can get the mono substituted product. Sulfonations also the same thing. And at last Friedel-Crafts, it does not take place the Friedel-Crafts reactions. That's all children. Okay, thank you.